Welcome to tea time. Get your coffee, your orange juice, your milk, your orange juice, your water, whatever it is that you partake in the morning. It's a beautiful day today, but it's cold outside. I'm trying to think of what did I want to talk about today. All I'm going to say, God is in full control of everything in our lives, and while we try to sit sometimes and worry about why things might not be happening the way that we want them to happen, you need to take the time to just sit and collect all your thoughts and just basically kind of like keep them to yourself, basically. Not to yourself, but him as well. But stop worrying so much. Just take the time to think. You can think about it, but just let it go. That's what I'm trying to say. Just let it go and don't worry about it. It's going to be okay. So that is all I have for tea time today, guys. Just take your thoughts and just put them up there, leave them up there, and let it go. Let it go. Because at the end of the day, the things that you are worrying about are going to come into play. They're going to come into fruition. You're going to find out. You're going to see. You're going to know. You're going to know what to do in all the situations. So stop worrying about it. Just stop worrying about it. Just do you. Do you and be happy. But guys, anyway, that's enough of tea time. So as you can see, we got the sandwiches made. I can guys show y'all the strawberries. And y'all, did y'all see them strawberries last night? I'm looking like, them strawberries I don't know. I ain't never gonna buy no pack of strawberries that look like that. That ain't look right to me. That did not look right to me. That's why you gotta grow your own so you'll know what's in your own. But it could have been a large batch. It could not. It could be something. I hope nobody tainted with that. That's why you're supposed to pray over your food. That's why when you sit down and eat dinner, you're supposed to pray over your food. So if anything is wrong with it, hope the Lord will oversee that. You know what I'm saying? It'll just pass right on through you. So yeah, that's about it. I'm trying to think what else. As you can see, we're still here. We have not left yet, but that's going to be in the videos to come. Hopefully, maybe some of it in today's video. I'm not 100% all the way sure yet because we have to wait on some things. Let me see what else. That's about it, guys, for right now. So I'm going to go ahead on, finish getting dressed because I think I'm going to go for a walk today, and then I'll come back and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Okay, so hold the line, please. Hey guys, y'all, as you can see, yes, she's still here at home. I don't want to like speak no more into it because I be feeling like sometimes when we do that stuff, like you don't know who's on your platform or who's in your circle. Well, I do. That might not want the best for you or want you to do anything. But so we're still here. I'm just saying I got little things I'm gonna take care of before we go. We are still going. So yeah. So I'm trying to think. We may leave out late this evening or we may leave out tomorrow. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. But in the meantime, how y'all doing today? Today is a beautiful day. Even though, as you can see behind me, it is very, very gloomy outside. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you a little bit. It is a gloomy day, very gloomy. The skies are gloomy. But guys, that's not going to stop anything. So I do have clothes. Well, not clothes. I have some things in the washing machine right now, washing. And then I am going to do something new, y'all, today. I'm going to tackle this room. This beautiful room, yes, we have here, is going to get tackled today. I'm going to bring you guys along. I decided to change it around so that way when the people come to repair the ceiling, because the roof has been done already for all you newbies, the roof, we just got our roof done. We won't have to worry about moving stuff. So I kind of got an idea for the room. I'm going to show you really quickly how it is right now. Y'all already know, clock, canvas, large canvas plant. This stuff here, we have couch, ottoman, rug, and TV. Currently watching Daily Davidson's. Hey y'all. Yeah, and got here, and then we got Babe's closet. But anyway, I'm gonna turn this camera around, and I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change it up, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So hold the line, please. Guys, I had to take a break, so I would really like to know before the end of this video, stop what you're doing right now. We might be on 5 minutes or something. Let me know, where do you think I'm going to put the couch, where I'm going to put the lamp, which way I'm going to do the rug. I would like to know in the comments below. So guys, this might not seem like a lot of stuff, but look at that. Look at all that. It's not a lot, but yeah. Oh, this is not moving. That's not moving, but yeah, guys, I got a lot kind of that I'm working with. These plants, on the other hand, are, yeah, they are everything. So guys, let me know in the comment right now. Stop wherever you are in the video right now. Stop and let me know where do y'all think I'm gonna put everything, and I'll see you in the next clip. Alright guys, I didn't want to leave y'all in the loop, but it is, I think, 6:45 or 7:45. I'm not 100% sure, but things have took, I think I told y'all already, took a little change, just a little change, but I was going to still show you guys what and how I prepare these strawberries. The salad is done, the sandwiches are done. So basically, I'm trying to think what else. Basically, and the cooler is outside with I can show y'all. The cooler is outside with water already in it, bottled water. So yeah, so guys, we're not by ourselves, so that's another thing that's like all up in the air, because people don't be like having their things in order. But yeah, here's the cooler. I know it looks like it's light out, I mean awfully early, but it's not. Here's the cooler. Just keep it outside, y'all, because it's cold. It is cold out here. So yeah, I'll show you guys the salad, the strawberries, which is in the fridge, and then also that's gonna be it. So tomorrow is Wednesday. So if we don't leave out in the daytime of tomorrow, what I'll do is I'll probably try to start the video early. That way I can show you guys. Let me turn the light on. That way I can show you guys the room. So I'm not gonna show y'all today. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow. So here is the like I said, here's the sandwiches here. That's gonna this is gonna go too. And then here is the salad. Guys, I know it looks like it's from restaurant, right? That's the salad. And then I'll show you guys the strawberries, and then I'm gonna end this video, y'all, because I'm tired. I'm tired. And then here is the strawberries. So they're already done. I'll snap that back in a minute. But yeah, guys, I didn't want to leave y'all hanging. So I guess I will see you guys tomorrow in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Like I said, tomorrow is Wednesday, and hopefully things move forward tomorrow, if the latest. So I'll see you in the next one. And remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, and this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all.